little shawty said she down for a visit. I got that money on me, baby, so you don't get suspicious. I got a lot of what you need, baby, come on and get it.
So, you might be wondering why all these boxes are here. We just got evicted. Just kidding. You know your boy's doing big things. Stay tuned for that video. Check this out. You know the search is finally over.
Go and spin a bag on me.
In the last video, if you watched to the end, we were trying to find these. Now we got some. Post a comment below. I'll pick one comment and I'll send you guys a little packet of Dunkaroos. So we're about to go and head to an amusement park. If you guys are from Maryland, you might know it's called Adventure Park USA. It's near Frederick, Maryland. And that's where we're going because there's nothing else to do with this Corona crap. So this is open. We're gonna try it out. Another thing, if you're watching this video, I seen on my analytics that like 80% of the people watching my videos are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the like button too, because I know you guys like me. Obviously you're watching, but that's what we're gonna do. You guys help me out, I'll help you out. We're gonna start doing giveaways and stuff. So if you guys participate and help out with the channel, I'll help you guys out as well. Oh, dude, you know that it gets so loud. It's so loud.
Our cans so that like we can get about the car.
All right, so I need you guys to comment down below. Look at these cans. We got like 3 trash bags full of cans. You put your guess at. I think it's gonna be like 10 bucks.
I think it's gonna be like 15.
15. Comment down below. Whoever gets the actual like closest number, I'll give you a shout out. And a pack of Dunkaroos, because everybody loves Dunkaroos around here. Also, I've been thinking about getting a new wrap. You know I like doing crazy wraps. You know I'm obsessed with Dunkaroos. I was thinking we should do like, cut it in half, do like a nice color wrap, and then
No, Arizona.
And then on the other side we should do Dunkaroos. I mean, I think that'd be dope, because like you hear the car, you're like, what the hell is that? And then it's like a Dunkaroo caddy, like, come on now.
Shawty, a little bitty.
This is not a sponsored thing. I feel like she's not even gonna like these because she likes the chocolate.
I love the chocolate ones. I don't like these.
This is like the birthday cake flavor. It's not bad though.
It's not terrible.
But you just like chocolate.
It tastes like cake batter.
And just so you guys know why we save our cans, because a penny saved is a penny earned. You can't just throw away money like that, guys. For real though. I mean, every little bit helps though, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys are young and you just think about like, you guys don't really think about that stuff, just think about it. It'll all add up in the end. It's extra cash in your wallet. Got a bunch of cans, man.
What's up with the camera?
Huh?
What's up with the camera?
I gotta make sure you give me the right amount. $1 saved is $1 earned. Guess how much we got?
Is that $1?
I got $1.20. $1.20.
What the heck? Is that gonna get us? Let's go buy my soda.
Alright you guys, as you can see, we're here. Check this out though. Don't mind all the bugs on my car because we're on the big highway, but we got the caddy and a caddy, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, we've never been here before, so I just always wanted to check it out. It's like one of those things that you always kind of just drive past but never go to, so we're finally going to it to check it out. So you guys have to enjoy it with us. Oh, you can do them all. There you go. Alrighty, let's go. You know what I'm saying? We got the fun pass, and she always has to use the bathroom every time. I don't know why. Where do you want to go on this? You want to go on this?
I zeroed
We don't go anymore.
I zeroed all.
Like I say in every video, it's just kind of weird that we gotta wear these masks to do anything, but hey, you still gotta do it. I got him. Yeah, there's a wasp right here trying to kill me.
Right, you can just grab your own thing. Shout out to the guy.
Being super lame. He wasn't trying to let me bring my camera on the thing. Like, what the heck? Like, it's COVID-19. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, what?
Like already have the pee again.
She already has the key.
What the hell?
Hey, yo. Discharge. Why you get to get the front one?
Oh, jeez. Thinks you got a head start.
Below single.
When I wake up, yeah, I see fire. Looking out the window, wishing I died. Hellfire, 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 hellfire. When I wake up, yeah, I see fire. Looking out the window, wishing I died. Hellfire, 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 hellfire. In the hellfire, wishing I died, wishing I died. Say it's all mine on the FaceTime. I ain't try to, they just waste time. I ain't got it time, YG on my feet, rocket still a riot, shooting just with front, they got heavy gun, nigga try.
Oh, that's the worst part, trying to get up. What happened? You was up front.
I know. I don't know. It didn't have any turbo.
There's no turbo on it.
Here we got our chicken tendies.
You know, sodas.
We had to make it on our Snapchat. If you want to follow me on Snapchat,
What?
links
Zip
right
up your
here.
shirt.
Why?
Cuz, what do you think this is? From Cuba?
It's hot. Yeah, I'm from Cuba.
No.
Hola.
What are you doing with your pretzel? Who does that?
It's hella.
It's like a sad face now. I dropped the pretzel in the cheese. I need to get a fork.
Oh, let's go.
Alrighty, we're already close. We're already close. That was so weak. 4 tickets.
Oh, I thought it's 1,000.
You got
Siren is blaring. Check it out. There's a 1,000-ticket winner here.
Oh shoot, you got the jackpot. You got the jackpot, yo, that's crazy.
The big rings are better. Yeah, okay, well, whatever.
Whatever.
Something.
We're trying to find the. Let's try one more time.
What you mean? We get doubles, 200.
What's up, boy? Yeah. Got it. Yes. Oh, it didn't hold.
Good. Wow, 1 ticket. Dude, we gotta undo this. Do it. What'd you get?
Nothing.
Okay.
Oh, I see something pretty. Really pretty.
Alright, we gotta put more in there.
Not all of it.
Screw it, whatever. Hey, yo, that's cool.
These are pretty. This
Get all
one.
the sand off of them. Before I sand up. Pick them out. See what we got. That one's hard.
No, I think there's like a map or something from. No, they're right here.
Grab the little green ones.
All right, we're gonna max our game card out and see how many tickets we can get. See if we can get the koala. Oh, doubles, doubles. Oh.
Come on. Come on.
That's it right there. Oh my gosh.
All right, this is the final thing.
Hi guys, how are you?
Can I see how many Jimmy John's I have?
You have 6,625. This thing is so cute though. Look at him. Look at his little booty.
Right, that's when jiggle. Big old booty.